Hi there, my name's Lesley Redman and I'm a specialist oral health trainer, and I'd like to talk to you today about toothpaste, in particular a certain type of toothpaste from the bioXtra dry mouth range. So what I've got here is bioXtra dry mouth non-foaming toothpaste, and it literally does what it says on the tin. It doesn't produce any foam. So it's particularly useful for certain health conditions. Dry mouth, it's really useful for dry mouth. We know that the foaming agent in normal toothpaste can dry the mouth out even further, so it's the last thing you want to be using. Also useful for anybody who may have dysphagia or is even at risk of choking. Anyone who is nil by mouth, particularly peg-fed and tracheostomy. Because it doesn't produce the foam, you're not going to swallow anything, you're not going to feel like you're choking anything, and you don't have to spit anything out. So it's a really useful tool to use for certain health conditions. Now, as with all bioXtra dry mouth products, they contain moisturisers and enzymes which help to protect and moisten the tissues in the mouth. But it also contains 1500 parts per million of fluoride, which is the recommended dose. So you're also getting that cleanliness and that protectiveness of the teeth and the tissues. So really useful to use, really simple to use as well. I know it's toothpaste and you're thinking it's toothpaste, what you're going to tell me that I don't already know. But with this toothpaste, as it's a special kind of toothpaste, it doesn't produce any foam, we don't need to wet the toothbrush bristles. So all we're doing is we're going to place a pea-sized amount of toothpaste on the toothbrush and you just start brushing with it straight away. No need to wet the toothbrush head at all. Obviously once you're finished, you don't have to spit anything out, you don't feel like you're going to swallow anything, and you're not going to choke anything. So it's a really useful toothpaste to use for certain conditions. So as with all the bioXtra products, it's really easily available for you. It is available on prescription from your GP, over the counter, and obviously online. So really easy for you to get hold of. So give it a try and see how you go. You can also use it in conjunction with all the other dry mouth products of the bioXtra range. So the gels, the sprays, the rinses. They complement each other very well, and they do work together very well. And you can use them together to keep the mouth, lubricated and moisten the tissues as well. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you subscribe you can get more training videos. There's plenty more videos out there for you to watch, and if you follow the link it will give you more information on the dry mouth product range that bioXtra have. So thank you very much for listening, and have a great day.